How to turn off silent mode on iPhone without buttons. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off silent mode on iPhone without the buttons, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You constantly switch between silent and the mute section over here, but your switch is basically damaged, let's say, and you want to turn off silent mode. And in order to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings, I simply want you to come to the option called accessibility, and then under accessibility go to touch, then tap on assistive touch and then make sure to enable it. Once you enable assistive touch, you'll find this little floating window, and when you tap this floating window, and you should be able to see all these options where you can also go to custom. And once you go to custom, you can make sure to actually add a volume on in this case, but if there is no volume on, you can say control center, home, classic voice control here, or you can also say device section. When you tap on device, as you can find here, you can just select volume down or volume or unmute if you want, and this way if you have enabled assistive touch, you should be able to conduct many activities right from here if you want to mute as well as both unmuted as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then turn off silent mode on iPhone without the buttons using assistive touch. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.